Every luxury yacht begins far from the ocean, deep inside untouched forests, where raw nature becomes engineered perfection.
Not every tree earns the right to become part of a floating mansion.
Luxury demands sacrifice build, but only with precision and respect. These raw materials now begin a journey across continents. A yacht is not built from one place, it is built from the world. This metal will become the backbone of floating luxury. Strength without weight, the secret of modern yachts. This is where engineering meets indulgence. All of this leads here. And now, the floating mansion begins to take shape. This empty space will soon carry thousands of miles of ocean. Every curve is calculated before a single panel is cut. This is the skeleton trogram, the yacht's first heartbeat. Every weld must survive decades of salt, pressure, and motion.
Flat metal transforms into ocean-ready curves. Human design, perfected by machine precision. Strength is built where no guest will ever see it. The shell is complete. Now it must come alive. These engines are built to push floating cities across oceans.
This is the heart, where silence meets unstoppable force.
Power means nothing without control. One degree off, and the sea will expose it. This yacht carries its own city's electricity.
This is where oceans are calculated.
Heat, fuel, pressure, overheat, all must obey balance. Luxury survives only because safety comes first.
For the first time, the yacht awakens.
Now that it lives, it's time to give it a soul.
Beyond power, comfort begins.
These frames decide how life will flow on board.
This will connect every world on board.
Each deck is built to erase the ocean's presence.
Luxury only works when complexity disappears.
This is where owners wake to open seas.
Every breath on board is designed.
Silence is the most expensive feature. This is where machines step aside. The shell is alive. Now elegance will define it. This is where engineering steps back and craftsmanship takes over.
Every grain is chosen, never repeated.
Stone that once formed mountains now floats at sea.
Nothing here is bought. Everything is built.
Light defines emotion, even at sea.
Luxury isn't crowded. It's open.
Machines can't feel, hands can. This isn't a room, it's a retreat. The inside is complete. Now the world must see it. Everything inside is finished. Now the world will judge the outside. Everything inside is finished. Now the world will judge the outside. A yacht's beauty starts with what you never notice.
Perfection demands total control.
Time and heat turn color into identity.
Metal here isn't strength. It's jewelry. This is the moment it becomes one of a kind.
It's built. Now it must face the ocean.
The outside must promise what the inside delivers.
The moment of truth. The factory becomes the sea.
Precision ensures it touches water like a feather.
Finally, it floats.
Even luxury obeys physics.
Power meets water, silently and efficiently.
Control is elegance at sea.
Only when it passes scrutiny can it sail freely.
Everything is ready. The ocean awaits.
Luxury is not built, it's lived. From factory floor to boundless horizons.
Every moment on board tells a story.
Adventure awaits, integrated seamlessly.
Beauty is amplified when the day ends softly. Every detail considered, every moment enhanced.
From raw materials to floating palace, this is how dreams become reality.